Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Mercedes-AMG GLC 43 Coupe versus the GLE Coupe. We'll dive into their distinct characteristics, helping you understand the nuances of each high-performance SUV. Get ready to explore their engines, dimensions, and overall driving experiences to determine which one aligns with your preferences. Let's get started on this exciting comparison. Under the hood, the GLC 43 Coupe boasts a 3.0-liter V6 bi-turbo engine, delivering strong performance for its class. The GLE Coupe, however, steps up with a 3.0-liter inline-six turbo engine, often paired with a mild hybrid system for enhanced power and efficiency. Both AMG models provide exhilarating acceleration and a truly dynamic driving experience, but with distinct power delivery characteristics. When it comes to size, the GLC 43 Coupe is the more compact option, making it nimble for urban environments and tighter parking. The GLE Coupe, being a larger vehicle, offers significantly more interior space for passengers and a greater cargo volume, ideal for longer trips or families. Both cabins are meticulously crafted with premium materials and cutting-edge technology, ensuring a luxurious experience. The driving experience in the GLC 43 is notably sportier and more agile, perfect for those who enjoy a responsive and engaging ride. The GLE Coupe, while still athletic, offers a more composed and commanding presence on the road, with a smoother ride quality. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize compact sportiness or grand touring comfort. Don't forget to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.